Hello friends, welcome to the new brand series of HTML tutorials. This is the third video that we are going to that is the third video that in this we are going to learn about the HTML attributes. So let's begin the tutorial. So HTML attributes, what kind of attributes that we are going to use in HTML? So let's start with it. So first of all, we have a first attribute that is called align. So if I'm going to copy this and paste in my body tag, let's see what it's showing on. Okay, so let's remove this, just add it. Okay, so just reload it. You can see that left line, center line, and this is right line. So basically it is align property. So what, so you can align the text accordingly by passing a line with left, center, and right. Moving to the next one, that we have a core attributes that is generally it is used, that's id, title, class, and style. So let's move to the id. So if I'm going to put here over the id, you can pass it over here like id here, suppose test. Okay, and suppose here you are going to it has the id, right? So on the behalf of id, you can add the css font size 30 pixels, right? This kind of styling you can do with the help of the id class also. So second attribute that we are going to use is as a class. So here I'm going to use the class. What is the difference between the id and the class? Id is basically unique for any kind of, or id is basically unique for the each and every div elements, right? So you can do perform some actions like accordion, you can do tabs, you can do the same with the help of the ids, that is the unique one. Classes basically, if this class is adding to the other any other classes, that will be inherit all the css or the styling from that div, right? So let's move to the third, that is called the class. Class is basically defined by the class, and whatever the class you are going to add, you can add, save it, reload it, and you can see that it has a class, right? You can also add this class like font size 20 pixels. This is also you can add the css over it, right? Next we are going to use a style basically for the inline, you can do the styling. So let's copy and paste this and check. This is inline styling. Okay, this is a style that is inline style. So if I'm going to reload this, you can see that some text that has a inline style is added, that is color is there, some text, you can see the element, font family, and you can also add the color should be, color is already added, background you can add green, like this. So this is inline style sheet that they have used, right? That is style attribute, right? Next we have internationalization attributes, that is called the left to right, right to left, directory, dr, directions, this is for dr for direction, and html lang for basically which kind of language, that is en, us, or language is chinese, arabic. So any kind of language attribute that you can pass it, it will convert it, right? These are the default international attribute and internationalization attributes, right? So this is the basic one, that is for html attributes that we are going to use. Main we have the that is currently using is that's called id, class, style, and title we have forget. So you can also use the title. Here you can see where is the this one is hello html, you can see that title heading html. If I hover it, it will suggest you that this is a hello html, this is a title. When you hover, if you want to such kind of things, then you need to pass the title over it, right? Hello title. So it will, when you hover it, it will show the title, what exactly the title it is. Okay, and yeah, that's it for now. And let's move to the coming, let's move see the in the next video what we are going to learn about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand about the html attributes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment.